Dear all, have a great day. In day 6 session, we are going to look at how to create spoken tutorial using Gen AI tools. Generating spoken tutorials. Spoken tutorial, generative AI tools are innovative platforms that leverage artificial intelligence to create audiovisual tutorials for educational purposes. These tools help educators, trainers, and content creators to produce engaging spoken tutorials quickly and efficiently, often without the need for extensive technical skills. Spoken tutorial tools are designed to convert text-based content or scripts into audiovisual formats, often incorporating voiceovers, animations, and other multimedia elements. They are especially useful for creating instructional materials, online courses, and educational videos. Time efficiency. Significantly reduce the time and effort required to create high-quality spoken tutorials. Cost-effective. Users can save on costs related to hiring voiceover artists, video editors, and production teams. Accessibility. AI-driven voiceovers and multilingual support make tutorials more accessible to a global audience. Scalability. Educators and organizations can easily scale their training programs by producing a large volume of tutorials without a proportional increase in resources. Various generative AI tools for creating voiceover for spoken tutorials. Now, we are going to look at the screenshots of various AI tools for creating voiceovers. Home screen of Descript AI has been shown here. Home screen of Murph AI has been shown here. Home screen of Lovo AI has been shown here. Home screen of Resemble AI has been shown here. This screen shows the homepage of play.ht. This screen shows the homepage of VoiceMaker AI. VoiceMaker AI. VoiceMaker is a popular AI text-to-speech (TTS) platform that offers a range of synthetic voices, allowing users to convert text into natural-sounding speech. It provides customizable features for voice modulation, including options for adjusting pitch, speed, and emphasis. It offers various languages, accents, and voice styles, with both male and female options. Once you generate speech from your text, you can download it in formats like MP3 and WAV, making it suitable for video narration, podcasts, or learning materials. Applications of spoken tutorials. With the help of generative AI tools, we can create spoken tutorials for online courses, educational content, software and tool tutorials, marketing and promotion, product promotions and ads, training and workshops, language learning. Text prompt for creating spoken tutorial. Create a detailed spoken tutorial explaining how to set up a home server using Ubuntu. Develop a concise spoken tutorial for high school students on the concept of photosynthesis. Design a fun and engaging spoken tutorial on digital painting techniques for beginners. Create a persuasive spoken tutorial on effective sales techniques. Generative AI tools for voiceover creation. Various generative AI tools for creating voiceover has been given here in this screen.
This is the home page of Google search engine. Now type here VoiceMaker AI. Then this screen will be appeared on your desktop. Then click here. This screen will appear. Then click here to select the voice for your text. This screen will appear. Now drag down your mouse pointer to view all the available voices. Select your voice. Then click here to submit. This screen will appear. Now type here your text. Type your comment here. At a time you can type at most 250 characters. So here we have typed our text. Dear all, have a good day. Here I am going to create a voice for my text content. After typing your text, click here to convert your text as a speech. Then the screen will appear. Click here to log in with Google. The screen will appear. Choose your Google account here. Then the screen will appear. Your account has been activated. The voiceover has been generated here. Now click the play button to hear the generated voice. Now click the download button to download the generated voiceover. In this way we can create voiceover for your text content. It will be more helpful for you to create spoken tutorial. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please share your thoughts and ideas in the YouTube chat box. Thank you.